going on, folks? All right, now I'm about to be installing my dual fog lights on this Z71 Chevy Avalanche. My fog lights are actually right down here, so I'm going to be basically going up underneath the vehicle right there in front of the front wheel and installing the actual fog lights. All right, I'll show you that in a second. You can see I just basically got up underneath the truck right here underneath the front bumper pretty much. You can look right here. This is where your fog lamp is at. And these right here, hold on, is what I'm going to be installing, which is a dual fog lamp, which has a yellow and a white option for your lamp. And these are plug and play. So all I have to do pretty much first is, you ain't got to disconnect nothing. Just reach back up underneath your bumper right here and turn like that. And once you turn that, once you reach underneath there and turn like that, your fog lamp like this will come loose. And now all you got to do is unplug this by basically just pulling up on the little tab, if you can see right here, like that, and unplugging. Yeah, that light just like that will come loose and you'll have your power harness. And now once you get your new fog lamps, which is actually the X5 double color fog lamps, which you can get off of Amazon. There's 12 volt, 20 watt, 2600 lumens, and it has two colors, which is a white and a yellowish color. So once you do that, it's plug and play. Now all you gotta do is take the actual back part of the new fog lamps. It look like that. You'll select a little raised spot on the back of the fog lamp plug-in. You just want to plug it right into your power harness like that. And once you have that plugged in, all you have to do now is go back to your opening and position it. Hold on. Yeah, you just want to position it to your opening and spin it. And once you have it spun in like that, your light will be in. Now what I'm going to do is go to the other side and do the exact same installing process on these dual color fog lamps. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to actually show y'all the effects of them, how they look when you're using either the white or when you're using the yellow. Alright folks, once again I'm installing some dual color fog lamps that I received, which are some X5 double color fog lamps from Yitamotor, which are 12 volt, 20 watt, 2600 lumens. Alright, I'm going to be putting the next video up showing y'all how the lights look. Alright, thanks folks. Please subscribe and please check out our other great videos. Thanks.